Hello and welcome back. If you're having draining issues with your washing machine, you may have a clogged or blocked drain filter. The filter is there to catch coins, tags, bits of clothing before they enter the drain pump, but they can need clearing out from time to time. It sounds difficult, but it's actually a really simple job to do. And here's how. I have a Beko machine, but most brands have a compartment on the front which houses the filter. The first thing we need to do is to drain any excess water from the machine. In theory, the door of the compartment doubles as a draining plate, but I find them to be completely useless most of the time. To drain the filling loop, we can pull out the drain hose, remove the stopper cap and let any water flow out. There's actually nothing in the filling loop in this case, so we can replace the stopper cap and push the hose back in. The next thing to do is to unscrew the drain filter. Do this fairly slowly as there can be quite a lot of water behind it in a clogged system. You may need to empty the draining plate a couple of times. You can now see why the attached door is no good at all. So I'm going to unclip it and replace it with a slightly larger one. Not that there's much room for anything that big given the position of the filter, but we'll do what we can. Let's empty this one more time and we should be about there. Let's pull it out and see what's inside. There we go, look, a hair clip and some gunge. Not ideal for the system, so best to clear that out. One more quick check we can do is to see if there's anything blocking the impellers from turning, which there doesn't seem to be in this case, which is great. With everything clean and cleared, we can replace the filter. Keep screwing it in and it'll lock in the 10 and 4 position. Replace the door, which can then be closed, and that's job done. Thanks for watching right to the end. I'd appreciate if you could like and subscribe and tune in next time.